Hello and welcome all. If you're having a problem with your controller getting stuck on the text with your touchpad and it won't move off the button, there is a new easy fix for this, as I've also been having the problem for many months. If you just follow this short video, and at the end you will see a list of how to reset your settings on your controller, and this should reset all of the problem. I hope this helps all of you. It helps me, so good luck and thanks for watching. All you have to do is pop into your settings, your system software, go to your reset options, then restore default settings. You'll be prompted to put in a code. At default, that code is 0000, 4 zeros. After this reset, you'll have to plug your controller in via the wire into a USB port at the front or back, and this should reset your default settings of your controller. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and we'll try to do more videos in the future.